yo. It's hard for me to explain the things that I am thinking, so I write them down, spit them on the microphone. It feels like I'm sinking so deep into my own music, similar to dreaming. But I never really gave a fuck about what these haters are thinking, so I just sit back and rhyme about it. Why the fuck you crying about it? Let a motherfucker feel the pain that'll bring when Bonez drops the bomb. He's trying to get violent. Anybody wanna test this dude? Run to my haters like a wrecking crew. You don't really want to with me, nigga, fall back. Putting some automatics to your ball cap. Releasing rhymes ain't never been a fucking problem, but if you really want one, step the fuck up, you have got one. And he goes by Bonez with a Z, rolling with Messenger and P, nigga, massacring beats, nigga. So homeboy, step up if you really want it. Let a hater feel the heat that we will spit on our opponents. And if he really thinks he's tough, I'm like a volcano, nigga, steady waiting to erupt.